Hey guys, today I'll be teaching how to add a glow effect and outline to your images. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to click the create a design. Then you click on the Instagram post. It loads up. The next thing I want to do is to change my background color. For this I'll be using yellow. What I want to do is to search for the yellow color in the search button. Click on this. Okay, this doesn't look great, so I choose a brighter shade. This looks perfect, so we'll work with this. What I want to do next is to click on the uploads. This is where all images I've uploaded are. I click on this image. Loads up. What I want to do is to increase the size of the image. Increase the size. Increase the size. I keep increasing it till I get what I want. Reduce this a bit. Increase the size again. What I want to do next is to duplicate. I click on the duplicate button and it duplicates the image. Now you can see we have two of the same image. So I click the other image. This is this one. Click on effects. Under the dual tone, I'll be using the first one that pops up. You can actually use any one, but for this I'll be using the cherry. Click on it, it loads up. I click on it again, the same cherry. What I want to do is to change the highlight color to white. So I drag it to the extreme. The faster way to do this is to click F 6 times. Then I change the shadow color also to white. Drag it. Then I apply. What I want to do now is to increase the size of the edited image. Then I take this image, drag it, move it so it sits on the edited one. You see, it's all beginning to make sense now. And this is how it looks like. Your very own outline. You can choose to reduce or increase the image size till it's perfect and fits what you want. Now let's add a glow effect. Now add a new page. I'll still be working with this yellow color. I go to my upload. I choose this image. Loads up. Reduce it a bit. Increase the size, just as we did with the previous one. Keep increasing the size till I like what I see. Then I duplicate the image. Click on the first one. Click on effects. Like I said earlier, you can use any of the effects under the dual tone, but for this I'll be using the pop. Which is this one right here. Click on it. This is it. Increase the size. Move the previous one, the unedited one, and fit it onto the edited version. I keep doing that till it fits and looks natural. What I want to do next is to increase the size of the unedited one. Yes, you see it's beginning to make sense now. You can see the glow effect. You can choose to increase the size, which is this, or reduce the size. Just make sure it fits and looks natural. I keep playing around with it till I like what I see and it looks so good in my eyes. So keep doing that. Keep doing that. Fit it in. Make sure the palm fits. Keep at it. Keep doing that. Increase the size. Yes, I think this is perfect now. So there you go, your very own white outline and glow effect. What you want to do is to download your design. You can choose to download both pages or just a single page, but for this we'll be downloading both. Done, download, and your design is ready. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.